Okay, this is nothing like needs to be made, it's just an example. Okay, here we have a tube. Hollow right through, you can breathe through it. On top, that's out of a gas pistol we got rifle. But imagine that going into the actual tube, has an inner tube and it's all sealed. And that's nitrogen with a button, and it's all measured to a certain degree below zero. And what you could do is, say it's -7 degrees, whatever they work it out to be, and you breathe in, you just breathe through it normally, okay? And then so every third breath, breathe out your nose, and then swallow and get from your lungs right up and down out your throat and up and down your nose to your gut, down cold in temperature, down down to 8 degrees. If COVID does not like cold, then there's a possibility that a simple inhaler with a nitrogen freezing unit, you can even make it so you can keep that and buy those from the supermarket. Anyway, I'm sure someone in the world can test that out, so who knows, maybe it might even work.